Happy morning, happy afternoon, and happy evening to all my Nanbas and Nanbis. Constantly, I am on my phone, guys. My phone is buzzing like crazy. You all have so many questions in your head. So, for the benefit of everybody, I have picked top 7 questions, and in this video, I will be answering one by one. The first question is single group or both the groups in May 25 attempt. Now, for this, I have a question for you. Are you done with your classes for both the groups? Do you have a conceptual clarity for both the groups? If the answer is yes, note here the answer should not have a if or a but. The answer should only have a yes. If it is yes, then you can go for both the groups. Otherwise, if the answer had a if or a but or a no, then please go for single group only. Single group, 3 subjects, I am telling you, it is definitely possible with 100% of efforts from your side. You have 2 months in your hand, guys. It is definitely doable, I am telling you now. Can I skip an attempt? Yes, some people even asked me, ma'am, I want to do both the groups. Can I skip the next attempt and then write for September 25? I have a plain answer for you. Now, I actually became a CA. The attempt I was supposed to skip only. So all I am telling is going and attending is very, very important, guys. Passing or failing is also secondary. So the simple answer for can I skip an attempt is no and no only. Can I study selectively? Now, this selectively can be 50%, 70%, or even 90% of selective study. Please, no, I do not recommend that. You have to study 100% of syllabus. For the way ICA is asking, I am telling you, if you do not aim to study 100% of the syllabus, then you will be in trouble. Please change your approach in this. Prepare yourself to study for the entire syllabus. Now, what should I do, ma'am? Online or offline? What do you recommend? Now, the answer to this actually depends from person to person. If you are a person, you have full discipline. That is, you know that if you buy the online class, you will sit in one place and you will actually listen to the classes for 5 to 6 hours. Whether it is at home or whether it is in a library, you have the discipline. If you feel that way, online is best for you. But if you feel, no, ma'am, I need that external push, I am not a very disciplined person in life, yes, that also is possible for them. Offline is best suited. Now, I am talking to the disciplined people, that is the online subscription people. I want to tell you about Wow subscription, because after results, this is the best product which you can purchase, because now you have good conceptual clarity. So you get Wow concepts revision of the concepts, and you also get Wow workout. This is the most important part, because I am telling you, ICA, the way he is asking the questions these days is all case study based questions, all top notch questions. So you need the practice of these questions. That is why we have Wow workout. Now, some people will have this question definitely saying, how, ma'am, conceptual, how can we finish in such less hours? If you need more conceptual clarity, you also get access to the regular concepts. That means you are also getting access to the full classes and also something called Wow concepts and Wow workout. That is why this is the Wow element for the Wow subscription, guys. Now the next question is, when should I start studying again? For people who have already started studying today or tomorrow, you have already planned to study, you are working based on motivation and not discipline. You need to have the discipline. So when only should I start? You should basically take 2 to 3 days now just to reflect on yourself. What actually went wrong? What distracted me? What mistakes did I do? How can I improve? How can I have a more disciplined approach in the future? What is my strategy for the next 2 months? Like that, please make a plan for yourself. Take that time off, 2 days for yourself, just to do a self reflection of what happened and what you have to do. And then you start studying again. Trust me, the quality of study will also be immensely different at that time. Now, some people will be asking, what, ma'am, should I go for classes again or should I do test series? I already spoke about classes, but to actually answer this straightforward, you should have done at least once in your life classes, and it has to be plus test series and not or test series, because test series are also equally important, guys. You need to practice the questions, then only you will be able to crack the exam. Can I clear by just studying for 2 months? The simple answer is yes. But you need to have these three things. You need to be disciplined. You should be ready to put in that hard work. And most importantly, the hard work and the discipline should be consistent. If you are doing these three things for the 2 months, if you are putting the 200 percentage efforts, then success will automatically come to you, guys. No doubt in that. I have no doubt in that. Now, if you have any other questions, you can let me know in the comments. I will definitely reply to that. And if you want to personally reach out to me also, this is my number. You can make note of that and WhatsApp me. I'm always available for you to guide you in the right path. So all the very best, guys.